Okay, good morning, everyone. So, based on your feedback, I'm really happy that these grammar lessons seem to be working really well for everyone. So, we are now in Kapitel 5, and we do not have a lot of grammar here, but the grammar we do have is important. So, let's start with the possessive article. Yeah, so this describes a possession, owning something. So the main things to keep in mind here is, as you can see on the left-hand side here, is that the endings correspond with the endings of the ein words. Yeah, ein words are ein, kein, and also mein. So they correspond with the endings of these, which you had already studied at this point. So what we have here is that actually it becomes much clearer here. So the possessive article depends on the subject, right? Based on the subject, you have to decide which of the articles you need to use. Yeah, so you're talking about du, so it's dein. If you talk about wir, it's unser. So the basic form of the possessive article is based on the subject, but then the ending is based on the correlating noun. Yes, so ich, you use mein. It's der Vater, so mein Vater, no ending. Okay, here we also have mein, but because we have Mutter, die Mutter, there's an ending, the I, yeah, meine Mutter. So this is the first lesson. The second lesson has to do with the Modalverben, yeah, müssen, können, wollen, to have to do something, to be able to do something, to want to do something. So there is a two-part verb structure here. In the previous chapter, you learned that the conjugated verb always has the second position in the sentence. And this does not change here. See, here we have the modal verb on the second position. And this is the conjugated one. Yeah, ich muss, du musst, er muss, wir müssen. Yeah, this could be wir müssen jeden Abend bis 19 Uhr arbeiten. So the conjugated verb remains in the second position. Only now it's the modal verb with such a construction. And so when you have a modal verb, you also have an infinitive. And this infinitive goes to the end. This is what they call a Satzklammer, which is like a sentence bracket, right? So the conjugated verb and the infinitive, they create the bracket in the sentence. So the rule for the modal verb is then that other than studying it, because studying the conjugations, because they are irregular, at least you see the vowel changes here, yeah, indicated in red. The rule is that the conjugated modal verb is in the second position, but then the infinitive goes all the way to the end of the sentence.